the corner here, rehab place. We got dogs that are loose all the time.
Okay, 'cause, yeah, we want to try and get, we're trying to raise spay neuter money, so we're trying to do so that we can continue to help people, hopefully.
That's too bad you didn't eat the other one, because he might come right to you with food. The other one might come to you with food.
We'll put the food in that cage right there and we'll see if we can...
This cage here?
Yeah.
Puppy might not come now, because I just got to give him something.
We've got good canned food, though. Oh, look, smells it for sure.
Where do you want this one?
He's feeling feisty today. Yeah, he looks good. He's feeling good. He didn't throw it all yet. I don't know if he's ready for it. He doesn't eat the bread. He don't want the bread too bad. Over King Tyler, when I was over there, they were talking to a girl. They want the ID, and she showed them her birth ticket, so we can't take that because it's not a photo ID. And she didn't have her social security card with her. But they said they're only part-time, so we don't do full-time.
Part-time too.
So I stopped by there.
You filled it out?
Oh, I didn't.
Oh, you know, look at this too.
Well, the little bit of hours they want to give you, that would split my
Unemployment.
yeah, unemployment bad, but I don't want to have to go through that again.
Oh, look at it. It's a lot like Bruce's. I bet you want Bruce's puppy.
I wonder what Scarface means.
Oh yeah, she does look pretty.
She's only within the last week. I've seen her like twice this week. Her boobs are hanging out now. And then the guy next door told me they had something on the thing on it. They killed something. Those are the ones that mamas that I thought they would die. And she was running around with a dead dog in her mouth that day. Showing it to me. Oh, we seen a coyote in there. Where's the bottle of water?
Oh, there's some on top. This one here. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. I gotta bring my furniture down.
You give me a sheet to cover it.
I want the puppy to see it because I'm gonna cover that and put the puppy in here.